Now I know that somewhere in years past, I have used turkey leftovers to make tacos. And those tacos included the stuffing, the gravy, the cranberry sauce in a tortilla, add some cheese, and away we go. But how about quesadillas? So easy to use your leftover turkey to make some delicious turkey quesadillas. It's a quick weeknight dinner, a great way to use up your leftovers, and my favorite ingredient, cheese, is included. Let me show you what I put in my quesadillas, and maybe it'll inspire you to use your turkey leftovers the same way. I like to build my quesadilla right in the pan. So as the pan is warming up, things are coming together. My first layer is cheese, and then my leftover chopped up turkey pieces as evenly as I can spread it on half of that side. A little bit of barbecue sauce goes in next for me. And where are my veggie lovers at? I need some veggies in this. So red onion, tomato, and fresh spinach go in. And of course, I need another layer of cheese. Then I will fold it over and give it a little push. Things are starting to get warm on that bottom layer, so only a few minutes before I need to flip it to the other side ever so carefully and let the other side warm through and melt out. I now will cut it into quarters because it's easier to eat that way and I think it looks prettier, but you can just probably shove that whole thing in your mouth if you want. I like to serve it with sour cream and salsa, but some guacamole or pico de gallo would go really well too. Yep, easy, delicious, and a perfect way to use up your turkey leftovers. Thanks for watching. Till next time.